Welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Yogi Bryan, and it's time to release your fucks. It's time to run a train on those fucks and let them go and let them drift away, dissolve away, because you deserve it. So find a place where you can lie down or sit down and shut the fuck up. Close your eyes and just breathe. Just pay attention to your breathing. Observe your breath. Notice your breath. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. And exhale, open the mouth, sigh it the fuck out, let it all go. Again, close the mouth, inhale through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out, let it all go. Relaxing, releasing. And find a comfortable breath for you. Simply relax. A comfortable breath. Maybe find some gratitude for your breathing, because you're fucking alive, and that's cool. It's cool to be alive. Everybody's doing it. So embrace your breath. Give gratitude for your inhale and exhale. You see, it's not so fucking hard to relax. It's not so hard to let go. And how about you relax your body? This amazing body of yours, it's doing so many things behind the scenes to keep you alive. So show some love to the body of yours and relax your body. Relax your fucking face. Relax your fucking ass. And smile. Better be fucking smiling. Relax your whole body. Simply relax. Deeper and deeper as you listen to the sound of my voice. You simply and naturally relax, because relaxing feels so fucking good, doesn't it? And you deserve to relax. You deserve to let go. your thoughts to be. They're just thoughts. And just like a wave forming against the shore and crashing against the shore, the ebbs and flows, the ins and outs, your thoughts are just thoughts. They roll in and roll out, just like fucking clouds. So watch your thoughts. Observe your thoughts. Because they're simply thoughts. And you're so much more powerful than your fucking thoughts. So just observe. Relaxing your mind each and every breath you take. Fucking relax. And in just a moment, I wonder if you can use that great imagination of yours. And I wonder if you can imagine you're on a train. You're sitting on a train, and it could be any type of train. It could be a really fancy train or a piece of shit train. It's your train. And in just a moment, you'll imagine riding this train. Maybe you have a window seat and you're looking out the window. Or maybe you're in one of those fancy suites with the bed and champagne. Whatever train it is, that's where you are. Now, imagine yourself riding a train. And notice if you're with anybody or you're alone. You're looking out the window. What do you see? Where are you? And as you're riding this train, ahead, there's a fucking tunnel. And when you go in this tunnel, it'll be pitch black, dark. And as you're in this tunnel, it's pitch black, it's dark. All your fucks fade away into the darkness, into this tunnel. And when you go through this tunnel, in just a moment, all your fucks will dissolve, will fade away into the darkness. And at the end of this tunnel, it's the most amazing paradise. It could be a sandy beach, a forest, a mountain range, a lake, any paradise of your choice. And in this paradise, you'll feel so relaxed, so settled, feel so content, knowing you're in your safe place. It's a peaceful place. And no fucks exist in this wonderful, magical, peaceful paradise. And up ahead, you start to see the tunnel. And I'll count from 10 to 1. And when I reach 1, you'll enter this tunnel, and all your fucks will simply vanish, simply fade away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enter this tunnel as you're riding the train. Your fucks simply fade away into the darkness. Your fucks simply fade away into the darkness, one by one, as you're riding the train in this dark tunnel. And up ahead, you start to see a light. Your paradise, your safe fucking place. And I'll count from 1 to 10. And when I reach 10, you'll arrive to this safe, wonderful paradise of no fucks. No fucks land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're entering. You see the paradise. What do you see? Where are you? And notice how you feel in your body. Ride this fucking train through your paradise, through this magical place, through your safe place, a land of zero fucks. And you're the president, the CEO, the big chief. This is your place. Enjoy it. You can ride this train all day fucking long. You can stay in this paradise all day long as you like. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.